Chicken fried steak. Does your family want chicken fried steak for supper tonight, but you're on keto and you can't have it, but you've got to cook it? No problem. I can show you how to make that chicken fried steak keto friendly. And if you want to find out, then just keep watching. If you don't know already, my name is Paula and welcome back to our channel. If you have not yet subscribed or you're new to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when I drop any new videos. I do videos about teaching online ESL, makeup tips and tricks from someone who is not a makeup artist but who is learning along with you, makeup box subscription unboxings, and now keto videos. If any of those are what you're interested in, give me a thumbs up. Many people think that on keto you have to give up some of that comfort food, and when your family wants the comfort food, you feel left out. That is not true. You can still enjoy those comfort foods, you just have to make them keto friendly. And in this video, I'm fixing to show you how I made chicken fried steak for my family and for me, and it was delicious. The first thing you need is pork rinds. You can choose any flavor you want. I choose salt and pepper. If you choose the plain, then you can add any flavoring that you want to it. Put it in a baggie, close it up tight, and start crushing those pork rinds and get them as fine as you can, because this is what you're going to be using as the breading on your chicken fried steak. It may take a little bit, but you can do it. This is where you're going to add any seasoning you want in your breading. It can be just salt and pepper or any pre-mixed seasoning that you enjoy. Since I am lazy keto, I don't worry about using the pre-mixed seasonings. If you're strict keto, then you want to make your own and follow any of the recipes that you may find on the websites. Then I make sure the pork rinds and the seasoning is all mixed together and put it in a bowl. Once it is in a bowl, I go through and make sure that I take out any hard pieces that come along with pork rinds, and then I crush more of the pieces as I go along to make sure that it's as fine and as little as it can be. While crushing your pork rinds, you could be heating your oil up on the stove. You need to use as many skillets as you think that you will need in order to get them all done. Then I have my pork rinds, eggs, and flour that I will use for my family in bowls. I will take my steak, dip it in the egg. All it is egg, there's nothing else mixed in. And then I will dip it in my pork rind mixture and coat both sides. Tap off any excess so that you will have enough. And put it in your grease. And you can tell that my grease was hot enough because it's sizzling on the sides. My steak is thawed, but not completely thawed. If it's just frozen just a tiny bit, it seems to work a little bit better and stay together. I noticed about this time that I didn't quite have enough pork rinds, but I wasn't going to stop to go crush anymore, so I was just going to make it work. And then I put the second one into the oil and let them start cooking. I will now do my family's chicken fried steak using the egg and the flour and put them into skillets. Mine have been in it a little bit longer, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it, and you can see that it's starting to brown up on the other side. I'm going to continue to let them cook in the oil, and in this one you can see that there's a little bit of blood from the meat coming to the top, so that's tells me that I need to flip it so that I can cook it on that side also. And then I continue to let it cook. Once it is done and cooked all the way through, I will take it out of the skillet and put it on a plate with paper towels to let the extra oil drain off. Ta-da! I'm getting ready to have a drawing for makeup from my makeup box subscription unboxings. And in order to be entered into the drawing, you need a keyword or a code word. And today's word is going to be steak, S-T-E-A-K. So put that in the comments below and you'll be entered. You can watch as many videos from the beginning of July to the end of July and get the keyword and put in the comments and be entered that many times. They are also in my VIPKid videos. Good luck! What do you think about that? Chicken fried steak and on keto. It was delicious and you need to try it. What is a comfort food that you don't think that you could ever give up when you go on keto? Drop it in the comments below and let me see if I can come up with a keto substitute to help you along on your journey. I hope this encouraged you to think outside of the box when it comes to foods that you and your family enjoy and that you can make it keto friendly. Remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.